Alright, so if all of a sudden one day your iPhone randomly just stops turning on, doesn't charge, doesn't do anything, give this a try, because I've had this fix work for quite a few things. Sometimes it wouldn't work, like it wouldn't open apps and stuff, and I found out this trick sometimes works. This is assuming there's no hardware issue, but some software glitch is going on and it's preventing it from turning on. So it wasn't turning on. I tried wireless charging and other stuff to make sure it's not a charging issue. And then this is what I tried next. So basically there's the volume up, volume down. So you go quickly up, down, and then hold the button down and just keep holding this. Hold it as long until it turns on, and there you go. So at first this phone was stuck, like holding this button did nothing at all, like it wouldn't turn on, nothing would happen. Charging it, it wouldn't show it's not charging. This is kind of like somewhat of like a hard reset or a forced restart, and sometimes also it has issues like shutting off normally. Like if you can't turn off your phone, try doing that up, down, and then hold the button, and oops, so if you do up, down, and then hold it, and then it will pop up the volume, or not the it's not working right. Let me do it again. Up, down. It's hard to do there. See? And then it gives you this power off thing. So if you're having troubles turning off your iPhone, or if for some reason it's not turning on, give that a try first before seeing if it's any hardware issues and sending it somewhere. That looks like it worked. Alright, hopefully this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Oh, yeah, and if this video helped you, make sure, leave a comment, because YouTube likes to see that. Watch a few of my other videos if you can, so that the algorithm knows to share my channel. And if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Alright, that's it. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, I know this isn't the iPhone, but one thing I forgot to mention, if for some reason it's not going, do the same thing, volume up, volume down, hold the button, and just keep holding and holding and holding and holding. You don't have to wait for the power button to slide it off. If you keep holding the power button, it'll basically tell the phone to force shut itself off, and then if you keep holding it, it'll turn itself back on. So yeah, keep that in mind. Sorry I didn't show that in the video, but yeah, even if the phone is on, like you see the screen, if it's stuck on something, volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button, just keep holding it, holding, and even after it shows the shutdown button here, or the power off, just keep holding the power button and it'll eventually force shut itself off. Once it's done, keep holding, you'll see the Apple logo come back on. After the Apple logo comes back on, you can let go, and you successfully did like a forced restart. No data will be lost, because people like to ask if their stuff's going to be wiped out. You're not going to lose anything. If anything, you might lose some temporary files or something, but other than that, like, you're not going to lose any actual data. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one. Bye.